Hello student, today we are going to discuss the types of electrical symbol used in architecture and interior design. So first of all, general drafting practice regarding electrical systems should be shown on a separate from the architectural, structural and other systems. For clarity, it is recommended that the electrical symbols be drawn darker than the background showing the building structure and other system. Different electrical systems such as power distribution, luminaires, voice data, fire alarm, security access controls should be shown on separate plan. If combining them on the same drawing, it would reduce the clarity. And all electrical construction drawings should be created at full scales, that is 1:1. This is the basic house wiring plan diagrams. This is switchboard and this is ceiling light and this is wall mounted light and these are the outdoor light and this is doorbell which is connected to this switchboard, and these are the symbols used in this house wiring plan diagram. So these are the different electrical symbols which is being used in this in the residential building, like earth, protected earth, equipment, fuse, buzzers, heaters, one phase, two phase, three phase, and simple switch, two-way switch, and so many things. These are the symbols for fire and security systems: horn, gong, fire blanket, CCTV, master stroke, store entry phone, and these are the other simple step terms which is being used in our residential building. So this is just for example showing the electricals symbols diagram with a basic plan of a house. These are the another more examples just just for bit just for better understanding. You can see this electrical diagram very clearly. These are the this is ceiling light point, and this is the wall mounted light, and this is the point for AC, and this is a switch board point. These are the electrical symbols which is normally used in our residential building. This is ceiling light, switch point 120. These are the level, and this is plug point 5 ampere, 15 ampere, telephone point, television point, wall mounted light, exhaust fan, ceiling fan, wall fan, geyser, bell, DB, data line. This is for AC, two-way point and master point, and finally the camera point. So this is all about electrical symbols is used in architecture and interior design. Thank you.